Okay, to be clear or precise for this problem, this h squared plus h over h squared plus 3h is not an equation. An equation is something that has an equal sign. So we're finding the limit of this function of h, as h approaches 0. If you try direct substitution right now, you're going to get 0 over 0. So one thing we can do is factor out an h from the numerator and an h from the denominator. As long as h is getting close to 0 but not equal to 0, we can say that these h's cancel out. And now if you try direct substitution, you get 1 over 3. So that's the limit right there. To see what's going on, I go to Desmos and share my screen. Here is f of x equals x squared plus x over x squared plus 3x. And it looks like the point 0, 1/3 might be on that function. But f of 0 is undefined. Why? Because if you put 0 in for x, you're dividing 0 by 0. If I write g of x as x plus 1 over x plus 3, that has the same exact graph, except there's no hole in the graph. As a matter of fact, for f, this point right here really could be represented with a hole right there. But g of 0 is defined, and it is 1/3. G of 0 is 1/3. Okay, so as x gets closer and closer to 0, the y value of this expression gets closer and closer to 1/3. And you can get as close to 1/3 as you want by having x get closer and closer to 0. That's what we mean by a limit. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.